Okay, folks, this is a new test. Welcome to the advent of AI. This is a bit unprepared, but I have a lot to say, and I'm just gonna say it now. I hope I'm loud enough and everything. Still new to this recording stuff. Here is my homepage, ai1.lol. I hope you know it already. Tell everybody. As you can see, there is a video of Terence Trent D'Arby because I have not made enough videos myself yet. I'm in process of doing this right now, as you notice. But always I want to entertain people, so I put this little video up there. Anything that inspires me, I share it. I had Craig Ferguson there, who was a funny talk show host, because I want to do a talk show with humans and with machines. And actually, you tune into it right now. So I'm just going to talk about stuff because I think that I'm an interesting person and I have interesting stuff to say. And at one point in my life, I decided I wanted to do something positive, which is actually just only positive stuff. Make a real positive change. Sounds very American, and then again, they don't have the copyright on positive stuff. Everybody can be positive. Here's the homepage. JavaX. I made a programming language called JavaX. It's like Java on steroids. It's like about 30 to 50 times shorter. You write one line and stuff happens. For example, there's one line of code. It looks like this. You say, Kevin, hello. I don't know why I type it up there. It makes no sense. But Kevin, hello. If you do run this code line in JavaX, it will talk. Kevin is a synthesizer. You're going to hear it because I built it into the latest program that I'm showing you. Okay, we're counting JavaX installations. It's almost 200. And people do install this, and I love it. And they should. It's open source software. There's nothing dangerous in it. It's just it's a tiny core that you run in Java, and it just downloads any program you want. You can look at the program before you run it. It's all short Java code usually, and then you can run it, and it's all open source. There's no hidden stuff here, you know. It's not Microsoft. I write some articles, I do stuff. Let's see. Here is JavaX, okay? It's for Android. We have an app. It's in the Play Store, right? As it should be. Google has not banned this, as they shouldn't. There it goes. You can install it from the Play Store, and so on. And for the PC, it's just one file. It's the x30.jar. Here's the link to java.com. You can install Java. I'm not going to show you this right now. There should be a big link on the page here. It directs to your language, I guess. Here, it's it's like one executable. It's Java. Any recent Java it will do, like from the last 5 years. Java 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. Just get the latest stuff, install it, and it's done. And then you get this file here. Just save it somewhere on the desktop. And then try to run it. I mean, some operating systems are really stupid. If I double click this here, it gives me the contents, which is very enlightening. However, what I wanted is to run it. And I can try, this is Peppermint Linux, it's an older Linux. I can try this and then I get some weird error messages. It's not marked executable. Yeah, but I just clicked to run it, so maybe I want this to be executable. Permissions, make it executable. Now we can actually run it here. Baba! JavaX. JavaX does a lot of entertainment. It shows you the output of the program always. Other languages don't do this. Programs cannot express themselves using print statements, but in JavaX, print always works. Yeah, the simple stuff works. In Python 3, they broke print. Print got a new syntax, and the old syntax was broken. Haha, no. In JavaX, print always works. And you get this nice starter here where you can just search for anything, yes? Any program that is there can be found. Kevin is the talk robot. Maybe I'll show you this first, just for fun. Just double click. If I right click, I can see the sources actually. Here, this is the source code of this program. This is a comment. Up here, there's the JavaX level, which is one single number that you memorize, or it's even filled in automatically. It means that you know what level of language extensions you want. I've been using this for the longest time. Turn on debugging. This enables the typing. What you type goes into here, this variable, and all this function does is call the speech synthesizer, which is named Kevin. Everything is set up automatically. Everything is there. Let's try out Kevin. Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
I hope you can hear this. It said hello, Kevin, which of course is nonsense. Hello, user.
Hello, user.
Now it's really fast too. It's been initialized. Hello, what's going on?
Hello, what's going on? Give me more program.
See, that's how easy it is. And we close this. That's how you use JavaX. Is it difficult? No. Here's all the recent stuff. The recent stuff is always on top. Change stuff or new stuff. I make my own homepage in JavaX. It's also very compact and elegant. And yeah. The thing I'm going to show you now is the new AI we're making. It is this one. You can always like search for it here. It doesn't appear anymore. Or you can actually type in the number. You should be able to find it even if it's not on top of all this thing. So we run this program and we see what happens. It loads a tiny bit more. It makes a new user interface. It's called Substance. It's just prettier.
Hello.
And do you see this? The new button, the buttons and everything. It's just prettier. This is you have to type exactly 8 characters in your program to get this beautiful user interface. This is how JavaX is. You don't want to know how Java did this in Java. It's a lot of work. I did this work for you to make it easy for you. Here's the AI. It hasn't learned anything. The thing is it can only do a simple function. It can show a window and hide this window. It may sound trivial, but the point is to get something simple really working, really good, so we know how it works. And also, this is universal. It's like a bit. The window's there. Bit is 1. Window is not there. Bit is 0. 1 and 0. Does it remind you of anything? Yeah, it's like the basis for computing is the bit. It's all bits. So if we have multiples of these, which is just going to copy the program, suddenly we can have lots of states, lots of things, lots of commands, because they all are based on a bit, show the window, hide the window, do this, do that. It's all going to be really simple. It actually knows a list of commands. We can look at this first. Here you can always be the administrator of your program with one click. It's another goodie for you. Here's the lines that it knows, this is an internal code, and here is human rendering. You can say hello, you can praise the AI if it's done something well, and you can say show this window, hide this window. This is like if the AI is confused, or if you typed something in by accident, you can say it wasn't meant for you, and you can ask if the window is showing. So put this away, and we just type something. Maybe I don't remember the command really. Maybe I just show it. Okay. Boom. Hello AI. Okay, this time it made a wrong guess. This is not the right guess. And I get a list here. What does show it mean? Show it means, of course, show the window.
Showing.
Okay, it has talked to me and it shows a nice little window. How about hide the window? Oh, see, this time we got it right. Yeah, that's correct. I mean, it's very anal. Yes, it's a computer. If I put, the exclamation mark is missing and it's lowercase, so the computer is not sure if this is the same statement as this here. That's how computers work. But we work around this and we make intelligent guessing. As you see, the guess is correct. We can say yes.
Hiding.
And the window is hidden. Is the window showing? Yes.
Window is not showing.
No, it's not showing. Show it then.
Showing.
It should work with please and stuff. Please hide it. Okay, the guessing is not so good. This is a very early version. Guessing show, well, We need some more learning there, but it doesn't matter. It learns anyway, just a little slower. Yes, I meant hide the
Hiding.
window. Boom, there we go. Show it again. Yeah, this time it guessed correctly. The guessing function is very simple and cute.
Showing.
So it will learn and learn and learn, and now we have hide. Yeah, I see that the learning is not perfect,
Hiding.
but it will actually, it just all it really means is that it takes, this sounds correct,
Showing.
it takes like 4 learns instead of 3, and we will have better learners in the future too. I'm hoping to get rid of this feeling of embarrassment I get right now. So now for the amazing part, we can learn any language. Let's use German because I don't know anything else. Zeigen means showing. Hide? No, of course it doesn't guess very well. It means show. It's already showing. This is correct. Very good. So close it and say
Showing.
zeigen. It works. Verstecken means hiding. Oh,
Hiding.
okay. Now we try to zeig das Fenster, show the window. Yeah, and we have a correct guess, ladies and gentlemen.
Showing.
Mach das Fenster weg. Yeah. No, this could not have been guessed, I guess. We will have lots of guessing stuff. We will have, right now we're like alternating the show and the hide command, right? I'm testing show and hide, alternating, alternating fashion. And this can be learned. All of this can be learned. It will pick up patterns all the day. It's going to be really good.
Hiding.
So, now we have some German in it. Ist das Fenster da? Is the
Window is not showing.
Yeah, it does answer in English because we haven't programmed answers in German, but it has learned some
Showing.
right?
Hiding.
Yeah.
Showing.
Just talk to it for a while. This is wrong German, I love this. Yeah, and it has guessed my wrong German. So, if we go to the admin again, we'll see all the stuff we have learned here. Verstecke dem Fenster with the internal code here and what it had guessed. Or we can change it here in the admin. This is the point of the admin. If you have some really wrong stuff in there, right now there's no way to correct it here, so you go to the admin and just click on it and say either delete the whole line, or say it was whatever, what it actually meant, what means nothing, it wasn't for you. Oh yeah, we can show that we do the praise here, yeah? You like a nice and nicely done AI.
Thank you.
And will thank us. I say nice job, and yeah, it made a correct.
Thank you.
You can also say hello AI, which is not totally interesting. So I would like, oh yeah, the contribution. If you've had enough fun, you can say contribute. All you need to say is yes, and it will upload to our database. All the lines you've learned here, which you have seen here, so you can check it first for embarrassing stuff or anything. Blah blah blah. Uploaded. This is an ID. Everything we upload in TinyBrain gets an ID. And this is the URL. We can look at it real quick. This is a snippets database. Oh, you can see the code here from the home page. Code database. There, the latest code always appears. And here it is. This is the upload. That's what it looks like. It's the output of my automatic serialization mechanism. It's a bunch of Java objects which are really like linked to each other, complex object structures that are automatically persisted here and loaded again. This is all. You don't have to worry about any of this. It's just all automatic. Once this is uploaded here, we can merge it and people can command their computers showing windows, hiding windows in your language. Give me some Romanian or Hungarian or English. Oh, we have English. Give me any language. I'll even take French. So, I'm not sure what else I'm going to show you. Oh, maybe the source code. Yeah, why not? This is the source code of the AI. This is what a JavaX program looks like. It has 300 lines, 301 lines, which is really not much. It does all the GUI, it does all the learning, it has the database in it. And the database is exactly these things here, just a few classes. One class for a line that's typed, one class for a guess, and these interpretation classes, yeah. Like what statement means. And it's just really just a list of these things. And this is the flag with the windows showing. This might look new to you, but this is so compact, yeah. This is like espresso. This is super, super compact, If you would write 300 lines of actual normal Java, you would get nowhere near this. Maybe you're lucky if you have some windows showing. And this is so much more. It's just so powerful. Here's the pretty user interface substance. That's here. Here I load my database, yeah. I just say, please load and save. I don't, the database structure is only in this JavaX program. There's no external database to maintain or anything. And the data actually shows up in user home / JavaX minus data / your program ID. This is made automatically. And here's the data. This is all backup. There's an hourly backup mechanism. So if anything goes wrong, then you still have a backup. Nothing should go wrong, but and this is the current file. It has the same stuff in it that you can read or not, as we saw there. As I said, this is all automatic. You don't have to worry about it at all. JavaX is really transparent. Everything just works with a click. We're using libraries here. And this is just the Kevin. It's just a speech synthesizer. It's downloaded once and then it's kept. So you don't have a big download every time or something. Everything is really downloaded only once. It's very elegant. The snippet database can hold images and code and data and libraries and everything. It's a database for everything. Everything gets a short ID. Yeah, that's what that is. Here, one last thing, maybe this is the code of my home page. It's very compact HTML, yeah. I use HTML tags. I have Java functions for HTML. YouTube embedding, just the YouTube ID, and this is all. There's a link here, and this is really, really compact. It's quite readable, really. It's really a lot easier than this other mixture of HTML and Java that people are used to. Alright, so what I really would like to see is if you talk to this program. As you see, you just start JavaX, get this started, you start this program, and you just talk to it, and it will learn. And then you click contribute, and everybody's happy, and you will be famous too. We get rich doing this stuff anyway. This is so good. As I said, after we learn this, which we can now do, we can learn any task. And I will, I promise I hope. I have to do a lot of fighting outside. I don't know. You have to fight people here. It's really sad. Sad country. I promise. I really try to do this to make a new function every day. And let's crack the 200 installations here and do some more. JavaX is really not harmful. And
Thank you.
yeah, let's have a lot of fun with this. Some people dismiss the stuff here as like it's too simple or something, but as I said, this is the corner, the founding rock, really. This, do this well. Learn, a number of commands really well in any language and really consolidating into a working system. Do this and everything is, follows from there. We will extend this and, it will talk to itself. And you see how controllable it is. This is not a crazy AI like Google's shit. I'm sorry. AI that is capable of making horrible pictures. Jesus Christ. This AI does what you want. It's just like programming on steroids. Programming without programming. Now I really talked enough, I think. I hope this audio works out well and you like all this stuff. And just run this program, yeah. Just run JavaX, see what happens. It's entertainment all the time, and you will be part of the AI revolution. Thank you. Goodbye.